So I just want to close the thing. Actually, everything it works. It's a bit slow to restart with as an access point, but and I also had to change a few things in the file. For example, I changed I had to the mistakes we were seeing before. There was the lack of the IP address error was because it was trying to assign it, but it was none. So the Nginx was updated with the wrong IP. Because the problem was that we had this function. They only need to search for the IP in the Wi-Fi mode. In the API mode, it doesn't need to do that. So we can assign that directly. So what we are doing here is to assign the, you can see from the remote server. So what we're doing is to assign directly the IP address. Let me show you. And this is what we did. So actually what we need to do is also to update it here. So that once you download the project, you have the latest version. Oh, all right. So, and with this, everything should be done. One only consideration is the speed of startup. Now, the only difference that I can see in the files is how many services activated a startup. Sorry, I'm going back and forth. I'm just trying to identify the important points that I want to make. So these two are the two services, depending if you're starting access point or Wi-Fi. Now, probably because you restart too many of these, it takes a bit of longer in order to stop the machines. I can show you how I come out with this because I read it from the log. That I can just connect to and show you directly. So if we go here, it's probably so much. It's just a faster way to see that. So here we have the log file. The previous log. So here is when it's trying to check for the IP. The previous log was in access point. As you can see here, it doesn't check for anything, but it takes almost 2 minutes before coming out with before passing from one to the other. Whether if I check what happened in the other cases, and this one is just a restart, so it should take much less. Okay, it's not actually really friendly to move. So, well, it should have worked that way. All right, okay, so thanks a lot. I'll try to polish this video when I have a little bit of time, but I hope at least the information is useful for you to solve to implement this type of solution. Cheers, bye-bye.